Recording? All right. Okay, we are going to learn the U.S. standard algorithm way to subtract, but a new way. So we have 545 minus 268. I want to make this all positive, all happy numbers, positive numbers that I can work with. We have our example up here of what we did before. What's the first thing I'm going to do with these numbers? I have 445 minus 268. Fernanchi.
You're going to put them in expand form and put 500 plus 40 plus 5.
500 plus 40 plus 5. Did you hear what she said? Expanded form. This is what you call expanded form. What's my next step? I wrote out my top line. Alicia.
Add a plus sign, a minus sign,
Minus.
and then put 200, parentheses, 200 plus 60 plus 8, and then put the line at the bottom.
All right, very good. Now I have this all equals the same, right? 545, 268. Can I start doing business? Can I start subtraction? Can I do 5 minus 8? No way, Jose. I can't have 5 of something and take away 8. What do I have to do? Damien.
Go to your neighbor.
Go to my neighbor.
The fortune for 30.
So I'm going to do what? I'm going to
500.
borrow. I'm going to borrow 10 from Mr. 40. He's going to be a 30, as you said. Now what?
The 5 turns into a 15.
The 5 turns into a 15. I'm going to write my minus. What do I do with my bottom? Does this change?
No.
No way. Minus 200 plus 60 plus 8. All right. Would all these work out? Can I do 15 minus 8? Can I have 15 of something and take away 8?
Yes.
Sure can. Could I do 30 and take away 60?
No.
Nope. What do I have to do now? Emmanuel.
Go to your neighbor.
Go to my neighbor. And who's my neighbor of 30? The 500. So I'm going to borrow how much from Mr. 500? Ashley.
100.
I'm going to borrow 100. So what's going to happen now?
So now you're at 400.
I'm going to write 400 because I'm borrowing 100. I'm borrowing a whole 100. 400
Plus 130.
plus 130 because I'm moving that 100 I borrowed over to my neighbor. So I can do 30 minus 60 now. It's 130 minus 60, and that I can do. Plus 15. Minus parentheses 200
plus 60
plus 60
plus 8.
plus 8. Am I able to solve this problem now?
Yeah.
Looks good to me. Let's see. Because I can do 15 minus 8. I can do 130 minus 60. And I can do 400 minus 200. So what is 15 minus 8, class? 7. What is 130? Take away 60, class. 70. What's my secret if that's a big number? I can just do what? I can cover up that one. Oh, oops, sorry, cover up my zeros. I can look at, hey, 13 minus 6. Do I know that one?
Yes.
7, then bring down that 0. I'm also bringing down my addition signs. What is 400 minus 200, class?
200.
Am I all done?
No.
What do I have to do? Raise your hand, please. Isabella.
Oh, okay, I did it.
Add 200
Plus 70.
plus 70,
Plus 7.
and that equals
277.
277. Now I can double check my work by doing it this way, right? The way that we've learned. Can I do 5 minus 8?
No.
I'm going to do what?
Borrow.
Borrow from my 4. The 4 becomes a 3. I bring over that 10 to make this 15. 15 minus 8? 7. Can I do 3 minus 6? Got to borrow from my neighbor. He becomes a 4. This comes a 13. 13 minus 6? 4 minus 2? Does 277 equal 277?
Yes.
So we did the problem right. Good job. Pat yourselves on the back. Good job. All right, so you can hit stop now.
Okay.